What you want to put in each beaker is an amount, and that would be in terms of liters, and the concentrate. So Jackie has two solutions that are 2% acid and 12%. If these solutions are mixed, all right, well, here's a 2% and here's a 12%. They're going to mix them together. If these solutions are mixed in appropriate quantities to produce 60 liters, you get 60 liters here at the end of a solution that is 5%. And that makes sense. You mix a 2% and a 12%, it's going to be somewhere in between. And we're trying to figure out how many liters of the 2%. So let that be X. If that's X, and you want a total of 60 liters, the number of liters of the 12% would be 60 minus X. Does that make sense? Because you want a total of 60, and if I subtract out the X, what's left is for the 12%. All right, so now what you do is you multiply the percent times how much, addition, because you're mixing. And then you got 12% times 60 minus X, and then 0.05 times 60. Now, since I can't have a calculator, I'm going to clear my decimals by multiplying everything by 100. Every term on both sides. This term and this term. And on the right-hand side, that will leave me a 5 times the 60. So it's 2x plus 720 minus 12x equal 300. And that's a negative 10x equals a negative 420. And then if I divide both sides by negative 10, those cancel, x equals 42. So I want 42 liters of the 2%.